Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the PDF in PDF XChange Editor and immediately enable the Edit Content tool or the typewriter, depending on whether text is selectable. Once done, click the text you want to change. If text is flattened, add a new text box with typewriter. Make sure to select a text object so properties appear. This prepares the document for font adjustments and avoids editing the wrong layer, so you won't change annotations by mistake. Now, with your text selected, open the Properties pane, Ctrl+E, or use the Format toolbar. You can change the font family and then set an exact size and points. Type the value for precision or use the increment arrows for quick adjustments. Once you set size, check line spacing and character spacing so layout remains consistent. If multiple fields need change, use Shift-click to multi-select. This ensures uniform sizing across. Finish by saving a new copy so your original file stays intact, and consider flattening form fields or embedding fonts before distribution so recipients see the same size. Once done, visually scan the document for reflow or clipping and adjust layout if necessary. If the font size refuses to change, make sure the font is not subsetted or protected. Replace or embed the font, then retry. This solves most stubborn size issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.